channel. This is something I did it for fun. I wanted to do some R&D on Mixamo characters. I wanted to do something fun in future. I thought this would be a good start to set up a workflow, how to get Mixamo characters into Houdini and do some basic effects. So I started with Houdini particle integration, and I just try to make it as simple as possible. So I just got prop into a subnet. I imported using import FBX, and then I created another subnet for FX, and I did all my FX here. I tried to make it as simple as possible. I just got all my character and I just did some rescaling things, extracted rest from the frozen frame. Then I want to create a mask, so I want to start my mask from start frames, but I want them to be procedural. So how I did was I just created a frozen frame using in the rest attribute I made. Then I just placed 3 spheres, and then I just got the near points using near points function. I just did some vex to get all those points into a list, and then I transferred that list. Then I transferred that list to the main zero, and then if the point number is matching anything in the list, I gave it some attribute, so any those points became 1, and then using that attribute I created a group. So this is how it looks, and I got a distance using distance along geometry. Then I copied the position of the anim character to the rest geo, so my attributes and groups I made here will still stay. Then I just did some remeshing, and then I made logic of mask using the distance function I made, and then I just got the mask geo. And for the inner mask, I knew this, when you scatter something, if you don't freeze it, every frame the scatter point changes. So I don't want that. I want the same points. I don't want the number of points to be changed or the place of the points to be changed. So I froze the frame and I did scatter, and I used attribute interpolate, the old method, to have the same points across the frame range and the points don't move, you see. And then I just created the ID and I transferred my mask using the attribute transfer, and I caged all of them, so you can see this. And I caged the collisions. I made some proxy pyro for influencing Vellum and particles. I wanted to do it using Vellum, so what I did was I got these. Again, when I am doing the edge fracture, the number of points were changing every single frame and the Vellum was not liking it. So again, I used the same doing the edge fracture on a frozen frame. Then I used point deform and it actually worked perfectly, and the number of points didn't change after that. So I caged the source with the mask, and I did some Vellum sim. I made some pins and all, and I told if the mask is greater than 0, then just start activating. And I also got an attribute life calc, but I ended up not using it. And after doing this is how it ended up. And then I did some basic things, so I want to create more particles from them. Then I used source again. I did some basic particle sim, and I used our pyro for influencing the particles. And then I also got this extra things where the Vellum is between particles, where I blasted them before. I got another particle sim from them, and then I used attribute remap node to remap the textures onto CD, and I transferred the CD to my particles, and I changed CD to display color so Karma can detect them. And last but not least, I just use stage slopes to get all of them together and just render some particles. Houdini particle disintegration. This is just a test. In future I might be doing more than this. I just wanted to test how it will actually work, how much I can push, and how simple it can be. So I gotta know how I want it. I will add this file in description below for free. Let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. Subscribe to my channel, share to my channel if you liked it, if you feel this is helpful. I will see you again. See you. Bye.